In this video, we will calculate the derivative for this term right here, and so let's begin. So the first thing that we're going to do is use the quotient rule. So low d high minus high d low divided by the square root of what's below. So the low term is the bottom term, d high, derivative of the top term, minus high, top term, times derivative of the bottom term, this term, divided by the square root of what's below, divided by this term, and you square it. So this term right here, when you take the derivative, you would get 3 cosine x. And this term right here, when you take the derivative, you would get 2. So the next step that we're going to do is expand this expression. So 2x times 3 cosine x would give us 6x cosine x. 1 times 3 cosine x would give us plus 3 cosine x. Minus 3 times 2 is 6, so minus 6 sine x divided by this term right here. Next, we're going to rearrange and group. I'm going to group this term right here. I can do that if I say 3 cosine x parentheses 2x plus 1, because 2x times 3 cosine x would give us 6x cosine x. Likewise, 1 times 3 cosine x would give us 3 cosine x, minus this term right here, divided by the common denominator, which is this piece right here, divided by this piece, divided by this piece. And because we did this, we can cancel this term, and we'll cancel one of this term, and so we would get 3 cosine x divided by 2x plus 1 minus 6 sine x divided by parentheses 2x plus 1 squared. This right here is our final answer, and that's all we need to do for this problem.